Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A72S, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then this will once again to extend the list of toggles. Now, one of those toggles should be a hotspot. As you can see, for me it is right over here. So once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the first time, you want to hold this toggle. This will take you to the settings where you can quickly navigate to the setup Wi-Fi hotspot, and this will give you the option to change the password. Now, the reason I recommend changing the password is by default it's going to be randomly generated, and obviously you will have no way of knowing what it is without actually navigating in here. And usually, I'm not sure if this is the default one or if it has been changed, but usually it's more of a jumbled mess of letters, numbers, capital ones, and obviously small ones. So by default, I would recommend removing the old password and setting up your own, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Now, this is the only thing I recommend changing. If you don't know any of the other settings, what they do, just keep them as they are. This will ensure that your hotspot basically functions whenever you need it. So from here, we're just going to go back and we can close this, find the toggle once again, and simply tap on it. And this will automatically turn off your hotspot. Now, as you can see, it also turns off Wi-Fi. That is because it's using the same antennas to distribute the hotspot signal. So it just can only use these antennas for either Wi-Fi or hotspot. You won't be able to do both at the same time. Now, once you turn off your hotspot, when you're done with it, your Wi-Fi will automatically turn back on, so don't worry, that should be no problem there. But obviously, during your hotspot usage, you will be always using your mobile data for everything. So, something to keep in mind. And additionally, once you're done with your hotspot, I would recommend to try and remember to turn it off, because hotspot will consume a little bit more of your battery. So if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background, considering your Wi-Fi is then disabled and you're using more battery. And obviously, to turn it off, you just tap on the toggle. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.